This video introduces the procedure you should follow to add a hard drive to an existing RAID array using StorCLI. Download the StorCLI utility and copy it to your operating system. Use the command to show the list of controllers. The section shows that there's a single RAID array with an ID of 0. Use the command to show the list of virtual drive properties and physical drive information. The VD list section shows current virtual drive information. The PD list section shows the status of the hard disks. Use the command to add disks to the RAID array. Use the command to check the progress. When the physical migration is complete, you can use the command to see the new size of your RAID volume.